If you follow the faceless YouTube channel business model, you must have come across these kinds of whiteboard animation YouTube channels and videos and are wondering how to create one yourself. In this video, I'm exactly going to show you how to create a whiteboard animation YouTube channel and grow it from scratch. So let's get into the video without wasting any time. So the first thing that you need to do is select a niche and a topic for your YouTube channel. Once you have done that, then you have to write a script in order to convert it into a voiceover. So to write the script, we are not going to use this software called writer.me, and this is a free tool that you can use to write a script. And then to convert the script into a voiceover, we are going to use this free tool text to voice dot online, and then we are going to use this software XPcom to create the whiteboard animation. This is also completely free. So all the softwares in this video are going to be completely free. You don't have to spend even a single penny to do anything. So first we are going to write a script. To write a script, we are going to go to writer.me and then click on start writing. So I want to write something related to how to start self-improvement. And you can select this blog ideas and outline right here, and then put in the topic of whatever you need the article to be related to. Then just click on write for me and wait for a couple of seconds. The software came up with some of the key points. Now to convert these into paragraph forms, we need to select it and click on paragraph, and it is going to convert each of the heading into a small paragraph that you can then use anywhere. Similarly, we are going to do this with the second line too. Select it and click on paragraph and then wait. And now the next step is to select all this and then put it into the text to speech online software. And one thing you need to keep in mind is there are few accents in this software. So the Indian English is free, Australian English is free. So I'm going to select Australian English, which this is the free version of the software. If you select the Australian accent, you don't have to pay a single penny to them. So let's see what it sounds like.
In order to be successful in life, one needs to have self-confidence. This is the first step towards success and a person should not give up on it. Self-help books are available in the market, but they are not enough. One needs a mentor who can guide them
You can select the speed too. You can increase the speed of the voice.
through their journey of self-improvement. In order to be successful in life, one needs to have self-confidence.
So this was pretty much it. And then you just click on this download button to download the voice. So I just downloaded the speech, the voice right here. Now I'm going to go to xpcom to show you how to create the whiteboard animation. So to create a whiteboard animation, you need to go to create your first video. And then you need to sign in. Just log in or sign up. I already had an account, so I just signed in. So once you have signed up or signed in, whatever, you need to click on this start blank. So this is the timeline where everything will be displayed. This is the play and pause button. These are some pictures. So we want something related to self improvement. So if you want to upload the audio that you downloaded, go to this audio section right here and click on upload, and then select drag and drop the audio, and you will be done selecting and uploading the audio. Then you can add this audio into the timeline. Now if we go to characters right here, there are a lot of characters that you can choose from. Well, I'm going to select this one right here. Just click, drag and drop it, and this will be your first frame that is going to play. So let's play and see what it looks like.
In order to be successful in life, one needs to have self-confidence.
Now we are going to add some more images. So we can add something like this building right here, and then we can add some text too. So I'm going to add a title and then work hard. Just place these things one after the other. Now let's see what this whole animation looks like. We'll actually put this right here and then this.
Successful in life, one needs to have self-confidence. This is the first step towards success and a person should not give up on it. Self-help books are available in the market, but they are not enough. One needs a mentor who can guide them through their journey of self-improvement.
So this was what our whole animation looked like. And you can play around with this software. Like you have many text to speech too. Like you can convert, you can put your, you don't need to use this separate software. You can also convert this from text to speech right here. Let's see what it looks like. But this is actually not convenient. It is a bit inconvenient.
Books are successful in life.
We can add some more images too. So we are going to go to this right here, and then there are many options like business, character, culture. So let's see what is under culture. There are a lot of things under culture too. We can like put a random image too. Animals, buildings, lifestyle. We click on lifestyle and see what all we got here. And then we can use something like this image right here. And then we'll see what it looks like, the total.
One needs to have self-confidence. This is the first step towards success and a person should not give up on it. Self-help books are available in the market, but they are not enough. One needs a mentor who can guide them through their journey of self-improvement.
So this was what our video looked like. And if you want to make a complete video, what you need to keep in mind is this text to speech software will work only with limited lines. So you need to copy paste, then again copy, again paste. Like you need to do this 2-3 times and then bring all the audios right here. Go to this software right here, go to audio, click on upload, drag and drop the audio file, and then once you drag and drop the audio file, you click on you give it a name, you click on upload, and then you have to click on this plus button to add it into the timeline. Once you've added it into the timeline, you can go to these pictures, and according to what the text, the voice is saying, you can add these pictures right here, and you can make a video which is 1 to 5-10 minutes long. You can play around with this, and this is a free software for few days, like 14-15 days. So you can make like 15 to 20 to 30 videos in 15 days. You can make videos for like 1 to 2 months and keep it. The last advice that I'm going to give you is that don't keep sitting after watching this video. You need to do the work. So just pick up your laptop or PC or whatever you have and start doing this right now, because all this that I've showed you is completely free. Not even a single penny was paid to do this. It's just going to take you like 15 minutes to create one video, maybe 20 minutes. So first you need to just jot down some points on a paper regarding what channel you want to start and what are your first 2 videos, and then start working on your first video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Write down a comment in this comment section. What all videos are you interested in? And whoever created a YouTube channel, just write down in the comment section and give your link to the YouTube channel in the comments. And I will check the video out personally.